like all those inheritance and stuff that you were talking about.
Yes, that's what we'll do today.
Okay, great. Let me
Yeah.
quickly. I'm trying to do the live connection thing so I can record it.
All right, no problem.
Okay. Okay. So now let me share my screen. Share screen. Share. Oh boy. So here is the screen now. So you see, I was trying to do. I think I got the task from ChatGPT, and I
Okay.
was trying to. And I was trying to. Let me say to my voice. So I was trying to like. You see, I created those things, and so basically, it's going to say the engine has started. And then what else was I doing? So I was now trying to see all the madness I was doing. I stopped it in the end. So I was again trying to iterate over. I can't even remember. It worked, but it was silly. So I just left it alone. But at least I did some. I did some at work, really good ones. But okay, yeah. So then I tried to practice hard with the function.
Okay.
See why I say for I in args, result is plus equals string of I plus separator. So I was trying to print. Let me run it and see. See, I was trying to do this. So the class, when I create the instance, give me that, right? It run the function.
Mm-hmm.
Then it returns null. So this is the part I still don't understand. Like when you run a class, right? When
Yeah.
you create an instance,
Okay.
it returns null. So this
Yeah.
function, I think this function, because I have print two times, I guess that's why I
Exactly.
return.
Yeah. So put return statement here. No, no, no. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah. Try this. Try
yeah,
this.
you
No,
can
no.
do
Try
that
this.
now. Say just
No.
return this, right?
No. 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 Remove the print statements here. Let's see. Yes. Try it again. Let's see.
Is it working? Oh yeah, it must be. I don't know why this thing default to. I want it to default to not code, but okay, that is gone.
Yeah. But I
So
think
that's
it's better. Yeah. But I think it's better you don't use print in your functions.
yeah. So that you
It's,
return and then you can do whatever you want with the
yeah.
output. Okay.
It's better you
So
don't.
I
It's
should
better
have
you
just did return, then do this, right? Correct? Can you do that? Or F string? You have to do F
Yes,
string.
yes. No, no, no. It's fine like this. It's fine this way.
Okay. Return that. And then you can now say print here. So I play a lot with Quag, Ag. I was doing it at work, but I can't like connect my work laptop for security reasons. I will have shown you some interesting stuff I did. So, but can you help me out here? Every
Okay.
time before, my thing always default to CMD, and I like it that way. But now, when I click this play button, is defaulting to code, and I'm trying to change that. I think you Control Shift P, Control Shift. I think
That is
you
no, 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 no. That's not.
is on
That's for the interpreter. What you're looking at, what you're looking for is for the terminal.
terminal. So when you say new terminal now, right? You see how he's in
Yeah.
now he's in
CMD.
he's doing his CMD now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I like
Yeah.
to be able to I like CMD. I don't know, it's like it's simple for me. And I
Okay.
know some of the commands already. So this one does always returning to code. So if you run it now, see, it's running the code in code. I want it to be running CMD command prompts. I don't know where it is.
What happened? What led to this?
I don't even know. Might be my son playing with it and okay, so I'm gonna delete these past ones. If I run it now. Oh, anyway, so let's I don't know. I don't know how to fix that.
Go to
Don't worry,
terminal.
let it do.
Go to terminal. Let's
New
click on.
terminal.
Go back to that code. Go back to the code.
Oh, it's right here. But if you call the Python 3, I'm not even in the right port yet, I think. I don't think it's under week something. Week 5, I think. No, there will not be anything.
You CD into it.
So if you do it that way, if you
This will give you
do,
an exactly CD into it. Yeah.
it's not even doing week 5.
No.
It's in, it's not there. I'm trying to get here. Oh, no, Ivan. Okay.
Let's do it this way.
Okay,
No,
but
let's do this way. Put CD.
CD. Something changed.
Just put CD space. No. Just put CD. Then put your space. No, place your space key. Your space key. Keep on placing your space key.
I do this. Yeah, I did that already.
Space.
I've done space. Another space again.
No, tab.
Yeah, tab. Oh, it's only 2 things inside.
Exactly. So
okay, so you have to go inside one of them.
Yes.
Python class. Okay, CD week now.
Tab again.
I see. So now if I do Python 3, and I run that file, which is class.py. Let's forget about it. He said Python was not found. So he couldn't find .py, class.py. Yeah, there's class.py here, you see, under week 5.
Try it again now.
Did he exit or something? No. So CD Python CD 5 Python 3 C class 5. That's what I want to run.
Click on Python 3.
So, but you see what he's saying though? He said Python was not found. Run without argument to install from Microsoft. So it means I install my Python somewhere else. So how come though? In base. That's why I don't understand. Why is he using base? It's supposed to just be C.
Yeah.
Anyway, I don't know what has gone otherwise. I think I updated VS Code.
Recently.
It might be one of, I did it recently. Maybe it's one of the updates that is changing something that I don't know how to fix. So if we do PowerShell now, yeah, and do Python, oh no, CD Python, CD class. Why is it slow now? Class, tab is not working. Class dot.
No.
Oh no, not CD.
Yeah.
CD to week. Week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. Then
do
Python.
CD. Python, then do Python, then tab. Python 3 tab. Tab.
3 tab.
Space.
Nothing is wrong.
No. Python 3. No. Python 3 space tab.
Now here we are. See? Python is not found. Oh. So maybe I have it installed somewhere else.
Do
Python was not.
Do pip list.
Also slow, man. So there's Python there. Did you understand that command? Do you understand what I'm saying? So this is the Python now.
No. Pip is not.
Pip is not Python code.
Actually, it's a Python package.
It's a Python library now.
Yes, I want to check if pip is installed. If Python is installed in this pip, just come down. Let's see if there's Python here.
Oh, I see what you're looking for. Py. PyShell, Pydantic, PyTest. Yeah, Python is there. Where do you think all of this will come? They are coming from Python package, I guess. So let's not waste time. I think I have to figure this out. I haven't shut down after I installed the updates. Maybe I need to restart.
Restart, exactly.
Yeah. Let me do it later. Let's continue our conversation. Okay. So I'm stopping sharing now. You can share.
All right.
Okay then. So you need bacon on that? What else? Still? Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen. So you can hear me, right?
Again.
Okay, good. All right, so let's start with what you've understood so far with classes.
Okay. You want me to explain? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Just so that I know where to go. Because
Start.
last time we talked about. Let's see. It should come here. Yeah. So last time we looked at creating classes, obviously. Then we looked at instance variables and methods. Then we looked at the init constructor.
So basically, init is to help that every instance you create, that method is what create all those class variables, instance variables, and everything to go with each class that's being created.
That is the init.
Init method.
Yes. So when you create a new object in a class, right?
Yeah.
This init method just help you to initialize all the attributes. For example, see where we put it in here. If you check, I'm coming, trying to. Okay. Yeah. So I want to create. Let's come here. I want to create a new object. Remember, I explained something the last time. I said that a class is like a blueprint, right? If this is an animal, I think I should good. An animal, right? So this is like a blueprint for creating objects, or you can call them instances. So from this blueprint, I can now have an object for me. It's called a dog. Right? Now, animal. So this is my blueprint. Now, once I create this object and call this function, right? Automatically, all this part, okay, and I explained why I use the string notation here, right? Why I use the string type here. I think I've explained this before when we're working on functions.
Yeah, you can do that. You say you can do that so that you can define the data type already.
Exactly. Good. So once I call this function, once I create this object, right? This init function automatically assigns this name to it.
So every instance.
Exactly. For every instance of this class, it just assigns this name to it. So I come here and I put the name I want, right? So let's say I want Judith. Come here and say print, or if I say, okay, print dog dot name.
You can call it.
It's going to give me Judith. I don't need this. It's going to give me Judith. See? Don't mind this from an older code. Don't mind this. But let's focus on this.
Can you maximize your screen a little bit? Like, yeah, good.
All right. So what's going on?
Not showing up anymore.
No, my. Okay. Yeah, let's try this.
Try again.
Good. So, yeah, Judith, right? This is it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind this. So, if I come here and I say dog dot speak, yeah, I have to. It's a function, so I have to do this. Oh, I'll put the name dog dot speak Judith. The function has a parameter name.
Dog does speak Judith. Is Judith as a, but it's not calling self because there's no self in that method.
Exactly.
So it doesn't see it.
You noticed. Good. So I put self here. So if I run this, it works now.
Yeah, exactly.
Judith
Because
speaks.
he created the instance, but ignore that method. That
Exactly.
method now
So
become that class. You can use it inside the class, but not outside.
exactly. So you see what this self does now. This self references this.
Mhm.
So whenever I try to run, when I run this function without this self, since this function is in this class,
You can use it
right?
inside while you're writing your code.
So there's nothing referencing this instance. So basically, I can still put a function like this inside my
Mhm.
classes, but
Mhm.
I'm using it somewhere else in my code. But
Inside the classes, yeah.
if I want this instance to reference any class, any function, which is also
Anything,
a
yeah.
method in this
Mhm.
my class, I have to put the self.
Self
So
there,
this,
so I can
this
see
self,
it.
exactly, this self basically means just putting dog here.
Mhm. Mhm.
Exactly.
Whatever
So
it
just
is, the name of the instance, you just put it in there.
exactly that is basically the explanation. That's what that self is. So yeah, there is that. So I believe that is
Can you
clear.
do, can you do keyword argument inside the function inside the class?
Can you do?
Keyword as argument also inside the function within a class, inside the method,
Yes.
right? So you
Yes.
can say, instead of just writing name, you can say name equals Judith. And then later you
Yeah.
can say name
Let's
equals.
let's do that. Let's do that. So this name called Judith.
So you have
If I
to do
don't
the same,
if I don't put
correct?
anything here, if I don't put anything here,
It will
just
print Judith.
just speak. Say Judith says wolf.
Uh-huh. But if you now, inside the
I can
instance, right?
override it. I can override it
Okay.
and
Dog
put boy.
dot. So you don't have to say, oh. So you don't have to say name equals boy inside when you are calling the function. You just put the value.
You can do that, but why do you want to do that? You can do that, but you can still do that though.
Anyway, that makes sense only if you know what the name of the parameter is even called.
Exactly, in the function. If you know all the parameters in the function, you can just do that.
If you don't know it, then why are you wasting your time? Just know how it's structured.
Exactly. Yeah, so I believe this is clear.
Okay.
Good. So let's move on. So let's also explain this is the same thing. Creating a class, the variable. Yeah. So that first part is easy peasy, straightforward. Should we work on something on that, like an example, before moving on? Okay.
Yeah.
I think I have something here we can work on. So I have a project students grades tracker class students, right? Okay, so I create a class. I want to create a student grade tracker, right? So now we need the name of the student. Then we also need to know his grades, yeah? So I create a class and I want to initialize all my objects with the student's name. So I have the init self, then name. Then I reference the instance variable. Then I can now also reference this. As the grades. Is it clear now? Can I continue?
Can continue.
Yeah. Next, I have the student's name.
So the part that I don't understand yet is that is it that self.grades?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can put anything you want, but not doesn't have to be parameter. Is that what you're saying in that function, innate function? You can put whatever you like inside. You can create a new variable.
So the idea is when I want to create an object, right? What do I want to call when creating the object of that class? For example, when I want to create an object for this my student now, I just want to call the student's name. So if I come here and say student one, right? I just want to be able to say student, then and I put his name, John, right? I don't want to start putting all his grades. 80, because I want to create a function where I can be able to add his grades. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm trying
to grab the concept.
Let's continue. I'll come back to that.
Okay. So you created a student class and you're trying to get their name and also grab their grades, right? So I don't want to update their grade.
Yes, but I want to give them the option to add their own grade, not me putting their grade directly.
Okay.
Let's just continue. So I have a function add grade. Then self grade. Now self dot grades. You know this is a list. Dot append Are you clear here? Should I continue?
Keep going.
This is clear, right?
So self.grades dot append grade.
Yes.
So, but the thing is, at what point are you going to get the grade? Oh, when you create the instance, the grade that is given in there, right?
Yes. So
And then you add it to the list.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
No. Let's do this way. Let me write the code, then we'll explain line by line.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. Divided by length of the list. So is that's the S statement? Okay.
Yeah. All right. Let me clear my terminal. So yeah, look at this. You can see my screen, right?
Hmm?
You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
All right. So let's run this student first, right? So now let me start from the code. I create a class called student.
Hmm?
Now, when I create the class, I want to be able to. It's just like I create a software, right? The first thing you do is I create a software that can grade, that can track students' grade, right? The first thing you do in the software is you want to log in, is it not?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. So when you're logging in, you don't want to open a software for a grade tracker and they are quickly asking you, immediately asking you to put in your grades and the rest. First, you want to log in. That's the first thing. Now, when you log in, you want an interface that will start prompting you to add your grades, add grade, add grade. Then when you're done adding your grade, you want another interface that you can click that will tell you, give me the average of my grade. And then you want another interface that can also give you the report, like a report. Or in some cases, what you have is like a statistics. When you look at social media, your statistics, your followers, your views, and the rest. Now, when I'm creating my function, right, the first thing I want the person to put is just their name. This is like a login details, but just give me your name first when I'm creating this function. Once I have your name, the next thing I want to do is this student wants to add grade. So I can just comment student1 dot add grade. Now I can put the first grade is 85.
85?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's make it like this.
So then one dot add grade.
So I can try again to even add more grades. Student1 dot add grade. Another grade is 50. Then student one, just keep on adding grade. I have another grade that's 70, right? Now, I want to get the report. Report. To get my report card, basically. If I run this,
should give you one is going. But you didn't. Did you call? You didn't call the average though, or did you call the average function inside the report function?
yes, it's inside there, self.average.
No. Oh, okay. Good.
So if I run this, it tells me
Yeah.
John's average grade is 68.33333. John, which is my name, my average grade is 8.33333.
So you don't have to call average function outside of the class because it's
I
already called within the class,
yeah, but I can still call it if I want to.
even outside. Oh yeah,
Yes,
because you have self.
I have the self. Yeah, I can still call
But if
it.
it doesn't have self, you can still use it within the class, can't you?
I can.
Yeah, but just now you cannot use it as a class method outside.
Yes. So the thing here is that I was not. Let me see. I have to print this. See? So it works. As long as it has the self, I can call it. So that is clear, right?
Hmm?
This example is okay. Do you have questions on what you just did?
It's cool. I think I get it. Um, how you use the self dot grade, so it's a list.
Yes.
That's because, but it doesn't have to be when init method is not. Will it create it for every instance?
The self.grades.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's
because
not.
if you notice,
It's not a parameter. It's not
it's not.
coming outside,
Yes.
but
So
but it's being used.
yes. So anytime I call this function, right? Everything under this init function.
Will be done. But what
Yes.
if I have another variable in there? I didn't use self. I just say grade 2 is equal to list, empty list. It's still allowed, right? Doesn't it? And I can use that grade alone in
This
my, yeah.
no.
Can I just call that grade somewhere else? No, because it's local to that function, right? To the init function.
I can I can call it, but as long as it is this init function, I have to put the self first.
No, but I've watched some video. That's why where
Okay. So
somebody. So I wanted to see how it makes sense because now this grade now that grade is local to init function right now,
yeah.
and it's not being used anywhere. So if you call it under instead of using self.grade, can you just do grades.append without self? You shouldn't see it because it's local. Yeah, it's not saying it. Okay, that's what I want to test. You get my logic?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
It's not saying it because
Yes,
there's no
because
self.
it's local to this function.
Yeah, it's local there. Okay.
This
So
function.
to
So
see,
if
to
I,
be
if
able
I
to
if I
see
bring
it, you
it
need that
outside,
self.
if I bring it outside,
Then you will see it.
it will see it now.
Mhm. Yeah. Oh, it's
See,
still not seen.
no, it's,
Interesting.
so, so it's not defined.
Oh, no, because it's still the same level. Take it to, oh no, it has to be like that.
This is it.
Why is it not saying it?
It's
So if you
supposed to.
remove self now, why is it not, it's not saying it? Strange. Yeah, it's not saying. There must be something with class that you can't do it that way. Yeah, I think there's something with clash. Everything has to be inside the init method, I guess.
Hmm.
I'm just curious to understand how the logic, because the more I'm doing this, the more I'm getting better now.
That's interesting. I haven't really
Let's
tried that.
return it back to what. So you need to save. If you're going to
Yeah.
use it, you need to save. That's it. So that's confirmed. Without save, you can't do nothing.
I haven't really tried that before, but I'll look at that.
Yeah. Because so I think, yeah, that's why they always start with the init method.
Yeah.
Because that grade is created, but it means nothing. Maybe you can use it after it was created, but inside the function itself, I mean, I don't understand. It shouldn't be the case, but let's keep going.
All right. So the next is inheritance and polymorphism. Oh no, and polymorphism. All right. So basically, inheritance is exactly how you're thinking about it, right? So you have a parent, you have a child, and then you have the child inheriting things from the parent, right? So it's just like this now. This is a simple setup. It's a simple setup. You have this class, which is the parent class,
Mhm.
animal. Then you have this class, dog, right, which is a child class inheriting from the parent class.
Oh, inheriting everything that the parent has, all the
Exactly.
function and all the variables,
Everything in this parent class is just inherits it.
even if the parent has its own parameter and everything.
Yes, it inherits it. It
Yeah.
inherits it. So you come here.
So now you say class dog animal.
Yeah. So if I come here and say um, dog is equals to dog, then let's put. Oh, nothing there. Interesting. What is this? Dog dot speak. So if I let me clear my screen.
We'll do back.
If I run this, you just do back. Exactly.
But if you do dog, how can you then print that sound, some sound? How can you print
Mm.
that out? So what is the name
No.
of the method there? Under
So
the, so you have to do dots because you get what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to
yeah.
say I'm going to print out some sound without using animal, without creating another animal. I want to create an instance of dog, but I want it to say some sound.
So remove this.
Mhm. Oh, you don't need that?
Yes. So if I
So will
remove
it not?
that and put this, it creates some sound.
But what if you want to add more function under dog, apart
You
from,
could. So okay, let me put it this way. Hold on. What was happening? Why is this? What is causing this? Don't like this.
oh yeah, the
This
thing. And press insert button. Let's
insert.
see whether insert, yeah. Well, I think your hand might think
Oh
mistakenly.
yeah. Yeah. It's gone. Thank you. So let me show you something, right? Let me create another function. Let's still leave the previous function that was there. Def walk.
Okay.
Please.
Dog can walk.
I can walk. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Dog can walk. Now, if I come here now and dog.walk, I get dog can walk. If I do dog.speak,
Get some sounds.
no, it will give me back.
I thought that thing is some sound. You scroll up, wait back.
I have a function called speak
Oh,
here.
you have another speak.
Now I'm saying
So now, so
if I
when
if
the
this
name
function
of
is not, if
go
this
ahead,
function is
sorry.
not there, yeah, no problem. If this function is not there, it calls the parent function. So if
Okay.
I come
So
here and say,
basically, it's like in CSS where you have the hierarchies, right?
okay,
So what do we even call that thing in CSS again? Where something's done, element before something, something before something, classes before element, things like that. So in this case, what is happening is that if you use the same name to create your function as another function in the parent, the dog will listen to himself first before listening to the parent. Make
yes,
sense? Yeah. Okay.
yes. And secondly, let me put it this way: it's just like a parent-child, right? You have a parent, you have a child. Even though the child inherits things from their parents, right?
They will first of all answer their name before they answer their last name.
Exactly, exactly. So even if, let's say, the child has their parent's voice, right? But you hear the child's voice first
Mm.
before you even think about the parents.
Parents.
Oh, you say, oh, you have your dad's voice or you have your mom's voice, but at the end of the day, see your voice first,
Yeah.
right? Good. So basically, it starts from the child, but so the way it works is that most times they just repeat if the pilot class have a function,
It's
right? And
exactly
you
the
want,
same name. It will do
yes,
the inside first before going
exactly,
out.
exactly. So if you want to override this function, right, you just repeat the same exact same function in the child
Okay.
class and
Uh,
then do your updates.
yeah, yeah, I get you. Nice, clear.
All right. Okay, so we are done with that. Next is the super function. Give me a moment. Let me check something.
Okay. That's the
Okay, sorry, I'm back. Can you hear me, right?
I hear you, yes.
Okay.
Super, it's a super function, right?
Oh, yeah. I'm coming. I want to explain that. Okay. So yeah, so basically, like it's just written here. The super function is used to call methods from the parent class, right? So when we're using the init constructor here, are you still there?
With you.
Okay. So when I create my child class, right? When I create my child class, and I want to be able to call, now, mind you, I can still do this, right? I can still do this, but, and if you notice, let me see this here. Okay, in fact, let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. How do we do this? Okay, let me put. Mm, goodness. Sorry about that. Okay, so if you notice, you're still here, right?
I'm with you.
Okay. If you notice on this, we'll soon be done. I think this is the last one. Yeah, there's nothing much here again. We are done. We are done. These examples. So we have to hold off on this last one. It's kind of hold off on this. All right. So if you look at this now, if you look at this, we called the um, parent function, which is this, in the class function. right?
With you.
Yes. So this works, but for a more recommended approach is to use a super function, right? So this super function will just help us to call all the methods from the parent class. So in this case, this is my parent. I have my init function with the self, I call the parent init. I think let's add the function parents color self prints the parent is dark in complexion. Then you come to the self, the child, right? The first thing you do is to do def init. You initialize the child class.
Mm-hmm.
Then you now call the parent class. Basically, this super dot init is basically saying parent dot init, calling this parent class in this child class. So instead, we just use the super dot init.
It starts with uppercase or slower. Okay.
Super dot init.
So whatever function come with that parent, you just call all of them one time.
Exactly. Exactly. So if I want to run this, I can just say, let's see, James child James dot have color. Parent is dark in complexion. Okay. Sorry about that. I hope this is clear before I continue.
So
I do
now,
have questions on this.
I want to see how it's going to work. So super is calling all the functions. We have three functions in there.
Just this is
Two functions.
these two functions exactly.
Mm-hmm.
So I just did James dot color. I just called this
Mm-hmm.
and it prints this.
But I'm trying to see what the benefit of super is, right?
Okay.
If you use parents without super function, right? Everything inside parent is inherited. So you can call those functions one at a time, right? Instead of calling it one at a time, I don't know, you still have to call it one at a time out in the instance. What's the benefit? That's what I'm not sure about. You get my point, right?
Yeah, I do. Hold on. Ah, man. Stop it. Oh man, sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, I'm back. You're still here, right? Okay. Huh?
I'm with you.
Okay, sorry about that. I'm having a little bit of. Yeah, so you were saying something.
Okay. I'm trying to understand what the parent does. Like, you see that parent class, right? We have
Yes.
inherited it,
Yes.
which means everything inside your parent, I'm a child, I'm getting it, including the function. So why do I need to call the function at initialization? Why do I need to call all of the function? So I'm trying to understand the benefit of super.
Okay. Okay. So remember that I get what you're saying now. When we did this, right? I could easily call speak since
Mm,
there is speak here.
yeah,
Right?
but you can
Now,
call work.
yeah. Now here's the thing. When I
Let's-
when I call speak, this down once. Okay. So I was about to when I call speak here, right? If you notice, this child speak, this
Mhm.
dog. it overrides the parent.
Okay.
You see, it just overrides it to say back.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Now,
Okay. I'm beginning to see the advantage. Okay.
now, let's say did I used my init here. Let's do def init. Let's just put self, nothing more. Or we can just print this initializes initializing my parent class. Now, if I come here and do the same thing, def init,
Let's copy the other.
yeah, that makes sense. So just do this. Initialize,
Yeah, you missed it.
initialize my child class. Right? Then I do super.
Okay.
I think what's that is next thing is to do super dot init. Okay, I don't need the self. Not really the self. It's referencing the parents. I don't need the self in here. All right.
Good.
So
That's
so
it.
basically, huh?
I'm with you. I'm with you.
All right. So now, if I come here, let's see. Uh-oh.
You write that super line very well. So a super is a function itself. So you have to call super with a function like bracket, open bracket, close in front of super. Then you put a dot like you did. So it's going to be super bracket open, bracket close, dots in it, then bracket open, bracket close.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes, it works now.
Okay. So now it's
So
printing the two.
yeah,
Okay.
it's putting both the parents and the child.
Okay. But does
Right?
he also print? So can he also print some sound? No.
If I bring this here now,
Or
if I bring this here into this function, right?
when you
So let's
call
say
the speak function, it will print those. It will print my parent too.
thank you.
Yeah. I have to play with it more to
It's,
understand.
yeah, but it's supposed to. Why is it coming here? It's only printing this out. Just my parent class, then back. Let's move this one here. It's only printing this. What did I? Oh, don't mind me. Did this my mistake here? Can you
That
notice
is
something?
it. No.
So I'm trying to. I don't want to just override this. I want to print this and also print this, right? But when I was calling my parent function, I was calling this init function, which is basically, so it was just printing this for me, which is what I'm
It's
saying.
not taking the sound, yeah.
Yeah. So I have to come here and change it to sound. I don't want that. If
Okay,
I
okay,
do
I see.
this, if I do this, I get, oh, what again?
Because why is it? Go back. Just do Control Z.
Oh, speak, not sound. Speak, 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 speak.
Okay, speak.
Yeah, not
Okay.
sound. I do this, I get some sound, then
Okay.
back. Exactly.
I get you now. So that
So
makes sense.
yeah, so that is basically what this super function does. It just
When I
calls.
say,
So maybe you don't want to replace the parent function, which
yeah,
yeah. So you still want to maintain some of its behavior
mhm,
while extending it to the child.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
I get you. That's good.
So I can comment this out. So yeah, we're done with this. Overriding. Yeah, I think we've done this too. That the class cat speak, animal speak. Animal, animal. Do you mind if we stop here for today? I think I don't know.
Yeah, that's
The
fine.
rest,
I'm actually tired.
yeah, the rest are not really not
Yeah, just
much.
send me. I'm not sure if I have this file. Let me check.
Yeah,
Uh,
confirm.
I'm not sure yet. Let me just give me a second. Uh, so Python. Okay, week 6. You have to send me the updated version.
Okay. Where am I going to? Desktop. You've seen it, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So let me stop sharing my screen. So you can still practice more on that.
Okay.
Like I said, classes is one of those things that sounds so difficult, but it really is one of the most easiest part of programming. That's classes for you. It sounds difficult, but it's like the easiest part. Easiest part. I actually enjoy learning about classes than every other part.
Really?
Yeah, enjoyable.
It's fun, right?
It's very fun, especially when you start using class to, like, for example,
Do
model
a
a game,
project.
like a game,
Okay.
like yeah, I I,
Then the
I do that
thinking come out, then you're understanding how you're
exactly,
structuring.
exactly. So it makes a lot of sense. So we've done this,
Okay.
done this, we've done this. Okay, I think
Okay.
we are here. This won't take us time. Then we'll enter this. Then we are done. It's just this. We're done.
Okay.
We're done with this. So,
Okay. So
what's
we'll meet
next?
Saturday, right?
Yeah, we'll soon be entering fast API soon enough.
Okay, that's good.
And you know, there are lots of things with Fast API now. I haven't even touched Fast API in a while, to be honest.
I mean, see, even if I know that old one, I'm good.
Fast API have a lot of updates now. In fact,
In the library.
they've changed the database. They no longer use what do they call it?
So are we going to touch on MongoDB?
To be honest, I'm not really familiar with MongoDB.
Oh yeah, okay. So you Fast API, that's fine.
Yeah.
At least I know one. That's good.
But Fast API have its own database. It's called SQL model.
Oh
Its own
yeah.
library for database mapping. You
Well,
know,
you can
before
also use SQLite with it, right? You can use
yes, yeah.
a
So
SQL Alchemy.
that's the thing. So Fast API replaced SQL Alchemy with SQL model.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
that's
you don't have
but you
to
can
use
still,
it.
yeah. So the SQL model has Fast API syntax.
Okay.
In fact, it has a more Pythonic syntax than SQL Alchemy. You enjoy it
Okay. That's good.
when we get to
I'm
YouTube.
looking forward to it.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's been a while. I'm actually looking forward to YouTube because it's been a while I used it to build something. I'm looking
Mm-hmm.
forward to that too. So,
Yeah.
but well, yeah, we'll work on it
God is
together.
in control. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you too, sir.
Yeah, go and sleep. Oh. So you're not busy in
That's
that office tomorrow.
that's where I'm going to now.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so
I
much.
appreciate you.
I appreciate it more.
Yeah, very good.